For Bangladesh, Thailand is a potential partner to engage in energy cooperation. To explore the potential of energy cooperation, the Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) on energy cooperation was the second instrument signed. A third Memorandum of Understanding has been signed on cooperation and mutual assistance in customs matter. To benefit from Thai knowledge, experience, and best tourism practices, we signed the Memorandum of Understanding on cooperation in the field of tourism. To ensure food security for our people, we explored the possibility of collaboration in the agriculture and food processing sectors. Regarding maritime connectivity, we discussed the direct shipping line between Ranong Port and Chattogram Port. We are following with great interest Thailand's flagship land bridge project. We discussed the possibility of cooperation on training and capacity building for Bangladeshi medical personnel. I also proposed him to explore the possibility of investing in hospitals and medical facilities in Bangladesh. I proposed to the Thai side to enhance cooperation among specialized universities between the two countries, especially in agriculture, fisheries, and food processing. Ladies and gentlemen, Prime Minister Thavisin and I also discussed regional cooperation mechanism under the BIMSTEC framework. Thailand, as a current chair and host of summit to be held later this year, will hand over the chairmanship to Bangladesh. We firmly believe the BIMSTEC is a key driver of regional economic growth for total population of 1.8 billion. To achieve a sustainable solution to the Rohingya crisis, Bangladesh sought the support of Thailand. This morning, Prime Minister Thavisin and I discussed in detail the bilateral and regional issues of mutual interest. We see Thailand as a very important and dynamic partner in our engagement with the vibrant economies of Southeast Asia. On trade cooperation, we discussed at length measures to enhance the current volume of our bilateral trade and agreed to work together to achieve healthy two-way growth. I assured the Prime Minister to take the necessary measures for investment facilitation and ease of doing business in Bangladesh.